I was walking on a sidewalk and I slipped on some ice that was concealed underneath the snow and ended up falling down, luckily protecting my face, but breaking the ankle instead. So I ended up having a trimallear fracture with a foot also off. They came in with a low offer, and then I said no. Right off the bat, I said no. I'm looking for my future. I'm not just looking at the here and now, because I know when I was going to be going back to work. But after that, and Mike said, okay, slapped a lawsuit. Said we're taking him to court. I said, all right.
In Evie Jo's case, when it came time to discuss case value with the insurance company, I understood early on that this company was not going to fairly value her case without a fight. When that occurred, we put the case into suit and filed into the court system immediately. And when we did that, I think that it helped get the insurance company's attention that we weren't just another law firm that was looking for a quick buck, but that we really cared about our client.
Mike was definitely thinking about me and my future. He wasn't thinking about himself. He was thinking about me.
When you have a client like Evie Jo, who is a genuinely nice person, and a bad thing has happened to her, it's really gratifying to be able to help her. And in the course of helping her, to really be able to get to know her as a person, get to know her family, all of those things help me be a better lawyer as well, because I can better communicate to the insurance company exactly how this injury has affected Evie Jo's life.
This guy's it. This is a lawyer who actually cares about what I'm going through and not just making some money.